What is meant by saying, "The world does not exist if I am not looking at it"?
We have to be careful when we say, "The world does not exist if I'm not looking at it." I, in this case, refers to consciousness. So in effect, the statement could be reformulated. The world does not exist if it is not appearing in consciousness. This doesn't imply that the world does not exist if it is not appearing in this specific mind. There is a big difference. For instance, London may not be appearing to you right now, but I'm sure that it is appearing to a few people. Therefore, to say that London doesn't exist because it is not appearing to this specific mind is not what is implied by the statement, "If London is not appearing, it does not exist." Any object is simply its appearance in consciousness. This understanding frees us from the notion of a world existing out there, separate and independent from consciousness. It doesn't imply that the content of the mind is all that exists. It means that all that exists is in consciousness. To think that everything that exists is in the mind is a position of madness. It is solipsism. For the one who takes this position, everything seems to make sense, but everybody else can see that he is crazy. What we are talking about here is a totally different kind of solipsism. It is one in which only consciousness is. And this consciousness is not personal.